Somebody just transferred 10,000 Bitcoin to Coinbase. I think somebody's going to be dumping Bitcoin again. And as we know, the US government has been selling lots of Bitcoin, and they said they're also going to continue selling Bitcoin throughout the year. This could be another dump as the Bitcoin Miami conference is taking place. And historically, whenever the Bitcoin Miami conference takes place, there is usually a crash, a nuke, dump, whatever you want to call it. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at cryptocurrencies. So make sure you guys stick around to the very end of this video. Some big things are taking place that you cannot miss. So if we get into the video, we can see that Bitcoin and cryptos have crashed a little bit today. Bitcoin, we can see, went all the way down to almost $25,000 to $26,300. This was a pretty significant dump that took place. It also took place for Ethereum as well. Ethereum went down all the way to about 1769. So that was a pretty decent move from the top to the bottom. That's about a, wow. Didn't even realize that over a 4% move for Ethereum. For Bitcoin, that is about a almost 5% move for Bitcoin. And in my Patreon, I put out sell alert and short alerts for the move that took place today. These are some of the trades that my people in my Patreon took place today. 500%, 73%, 13%, 346%. If you're in my Patreon, you would have access to all these trade alerts that I'm putting out every day for cryptocurrencies and every single week. But most importantly, if we zoom out with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, let's see where we are headed. So Bitcoin is still in this downtrend, looking very bearish, right? But Bitcoin and Ethereum, they follow each other. They're testing a very key level of support here multiple times. And we can see that the more a level is tested, the more likely it is to break. So Bitcoin had this support level, and we're just testing it over and over and over again. And eventually, I think that we're going to see a big move very, very soon. I'm really looking forward to this big move. The reason for this is because if we get a crash, of course, because I'm shorting, I'm going to make money, and so are you. And nothing in this video is financial advice, of course. But if the market crashes and goes lower, then we could buy cryptos at a discount. I've been waiting for a crypto discount for months now, since Bitcoin pumped all the way up from 19,000 to 31,000. And we're going to finally get our entry here soon, probably within the next couple of months. I think Bitcoin will reach $21,000 or lower. And that's going to be an incredible opportunity for us to buy at a discount and potentially even buy lower than that. So I'm super looking forward to that. And it's just very clear to me and very obvious that cryptos are likely to head lower. Now, it is the Bitcoin conference today and over the weekend. And typically and historically, even in the month of May, as Mays are very, very bearish for cryptocurrencies, historically on the Bitcoin conferences or the weekends of the Bitcoin conferences, we do see crashes. Getting back to this Twitter, you go to my Twitter, make sure you guys follow my Twitter. There's 10,000 Bitcoin, which is $267 million. That's a lot of money transferred from an unknown wallet to Coinbase. Whenever somebody sends that amount of money to an exchange, they are getting ready to dump. And this is not very, very, very bullish at all. When we see things like this sent to a cold wallet or cold storage, that's bullish because that big whale or institution, whatever it is, that big player, they're looking to put it away for a long term. But if people are moving these types of funds to an exchange, they're looking to do one thing only, to swap it or to trade it for another cryptocurrency, which can be a stable coin or whatever it is. So eventually they're going to be selling this potentially at market. Who knows what's going to happen, or slowly sell off. And this can cause a massive crash or nuke this weekend or at any moment from the video that I'm making now. So I also put out trade alerts. This short is up 10%. It was up a lot further earlier today. This short alert is up 65%. If you guys want to have access to this, join the Patreon right now. And make sure you guys are trading over on BitGet, where you can claim a $30,000 deposit bonus without KYC. And also, most importantly, I'm hosting a trading tournament. If you trade using my link, you can be a part of my free trading community. The link for that is in my video description. You can win up to $10,000 and you are guaranteed to win up to $200 by just participating. It ends the end of this month, so jump in there and get in there. I also have a trading indicator that tells you exactly when to sell, when to buy any cryptocurrency. You can try this thing for free at ALGOSNIPER.com. Look at this. Before a huge crash for Bitcoin, we got a sell alert. Look at also, before Bitcoin even pumped from all the way from $19,000, we got a buy alert. This thing is just absolutely incredible. Look at this buy alert at $19,000 for Bitcoin. And if you'd have just listened to that, you could have rode Bitcoin all the way up to $31,000 without selling. Everything I'm mentioning is going to be in my video description, guys. So that's going to be it for this video. If you got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.